Many Oracle DBAs get confused between dataguard and GoldenGate. Both can replicate data. Both can keep databases in sync, but they're not the same. And choosing the wrong one can break your architecture. So in this video, I'll explain the real difference between Oracle DataGuard and Oracle GoldenGate in a simple way. I'm Malik, Ismail, Oracle DBA. Let's begin. First, let's talk about Oracle DataGuard. DataGuard is mainly used for disaster recovery and high availability. It creates a physical copy of your primary database. That means your standby database is an exact replica. Everything is copied exactly as it is, including tables, indexes, and even storage structure. DataGuard uses redo logs to replicate changes. This makes it very simple and very fast. And most importantly, it ensures zero or near zero data loss. Another advantage is that it supports automatic failover. If your primary database goes down, standby can quickly take over. Also, the standby database can be opened in read-only mode. This allows reporting workloads without impacting production. So in short, DataGuard is best when you need high availability, disaster recovery, data protection, and a simple architecture. Wow, what a beautiful topic. Now, let's talk about Oracle GoldenGate. GoldenGate is completely different. It works at a logical level, not physical. Instead of copying the entire database, it captures individual transactions. Then it replicates those transactions to another database. This gives you much more flexibility. For example, GoldenGate supports bidirectional replication, multi-master setups, data filtering, data transformation, and even replication between different database versions. And here's a very important feature many people miss. GoldenGate supports heterogeneous platforms. That means you can replicate data between different types of databases. For example, Oracle to MySQL, Oracle to PostgreSQL, or even between different operating systems and architectures. This is something DataGuard cannot do. Another big advantage is zero downtime migration. You can upgrade or migrate databases without stopping the system. GoldenGate also allows the target database to be open in read-write mode. This means both databases can be active at the same time, but this flexibility comes with complexity. GoldenGate setup is more complex compared to DataGuard. So in short, GoldenGate is best when you need advanced replication, zero downtime migration, data transformation, multi-master architecture, and heterogeneous database replication. Now the important question, which one should you use? Use DataGuard when your focus is simplicity, data protection, disaster recovery. Use GoldenGate when your requirement is complex replication, active databases, zero downtime migration. And here's something many people don't know. You can use both together. For example, use DataGuard for disaster recovery and use GoldenGate for reporting or data warehouse replication. This gives you both protection and flexibility. In real production environments, this combination is very powerful. So remember this. DataGuard is for protection. GoldenGate is for flexibility. Don't confuse them. Choose based on your requirement. If you found this helpful, follow Malik Ismail Oracle DBA for real-world Oracle knowledge. And I'll see you in the next video.